So the Premera grant to Sound Mental Health is supporting the Children's Domestic Violence Response Team. We provide wraparound support for survivors of domestic violence and their children. It's pretty amazing that Premera is stepping up and doing this. For every one family that we can support in our shelter, we have to say no to 39 others.
Every time I'm sick, I come make appointment in here. They help me a lot.
I said, what would you like to do in a short-term goal? Like, let's say from 3 months from now. She said, my landlord gave notice that they're selling the house, so I need to move out.
So I'm very worried. I cannot sleep.
So her income is like, it was just $1,000 a month for her and her husband. I made an appointment with the new social worker, and she makes some phone calls and find a place.
So I'm very, very happy for Nelson. I go home, I talk with my husband, and I sleep well.
She wouldn't be living on the streets after the end of the year.
We have health homes coordinators at 4 of our sites. We're hoping to expand that as the program grows. The money from Premera was able to really accelerate everything that we were trying to do.
Serving Alaska is very important to us. We are working with Alaska Children's Trust. Not only is Alaska Children's Trust a great provider of nonprofit services to people in need there, they're also a great convener. They bring together other resources, and they're seen as an expert in this area of behavioral health in Alaska. We're looking forward to working with them to learn more about the needs in Alaska. One of the reasons we're putting a lot of focus into the Spokane area is because we are one of the largest employers in that region. Given that, and the fact we have a large number of customers there, we feel like Spokane is a place where we want to be present in our giving. A couple of the groups we're working with, the Empire Health Foundation and the Catholic Charities of Spokane, we're happy to be partnering with them as they make great inroads in terms of behavioral health and solutions in that area.
Hopling's goal is to equip people to exit poverty. We're going to use the Premera grant to train all of our staff in ACEs, which stands for Adverse Childhood Experiences.
Hopling has a variety of services that we provide. Heating assistance, emergency financial assistance when they have a shock. We have employment services, and they provide a huge transportation service to help people get to work, get to their medical appointments. Our Premera partnership is really exciting. We are going to give our staff and volunteers a new set of tools to be able to engage at a deeper level with people who are experiencing the crisis of poverty.
If we can help to bridge that gap to help our customers to become healthier overall, that's what we're trying to do. And by doing that on the same level with our philanthropic work, we're going to ultimately be in a place that's a positive one for all of us.